channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the whole Lotta Choppas Tik Tok, which is very easy to learn and also very fun. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, let's get started. By the way, we're going to learn this very fast, and you won't even have to practice it a lot. Just practice it once so that you remember each move, and that's it. So, let's start. The very first thing we're going to do is 1, 2. We're going to do this 6 times. Right, then we're going to go to the left, then right, left, right, and then left again. So just keep on practicing that, and we're going to do it 6 times, okay? So after this, we're going to go 1. So we're going to hear a gunshot, so we're just going to do like this with our hand. And now let's start from the beginning and move on, because we have 2 moves left, 2 different moves left. So you can see how easy this dance actually is. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gun. Okay, so after this, we're gonna bounce 4 times. So it's gonna look like this. 1, bounce, 2, bounce, 3, bounce, 4, bounce. And after this, we're gonna go 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back. That's it, that's the whole dance. So the only thing we have to practice now is to do it faster and faster. So we're not even gonna practice it slow because it makes no sense, it's too easy to do it slow. So let's just go fast twice, and that's it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, gun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, back, 1, 2, back. And now we're gonna do the same thing, but even faster. Only this part is gonna be the same speed we are doing it right now. I'm just not gonna do it faster because it makes no sense, because the TikTok is actually, we're gonna do it basically at this speed. So let's go. Once again, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, gun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!